You might have seen a text highlight effect like this in many videos. Today, I'll show you how you can create this effect in Wondershare Filmora. Let's get into it. Just to create a text highlight effect, first you need to import that text into Wondershare Filmora. So simply click right over here, and right over here I have this newspaper front page. Simply click over it and then drag it to timeline like this. Let me click over here and expand it to cover the entire screen like this. Now I want this first line to be highlighted as I've shown you in the demo. In order to do this, simply go to stock media, simply scroll down, click on solid color, and right over here you can see we have many solid colors. Whatever color highlighter you want to apply, you can choose it from here. I'm going to choose this orange color. So what I would do, I would simply drag it down and bring it onto the top of this text like this. Now you can see this solid orange color has covered the text. So simply double click over it, and over here you can see we have this option scale. If you decrease it, it would scale down like this, and if you scale it up, it would go like this. And you can also change its size right from here as well. But you can see X and Y positions are locked. Now I'm gonna click on this lock icon to unlock it. Now you can simply go right over here, click over it and adjust it as per your requirement like this. Simply drag it up and bring it to the top of the text like this. Now you can see it's covering the entire text. So simply reduce its size like this and bring it right where from the text starts. Now get to the timeline. Now you can see the text under this solid orange layer is invisible. In order to make it visible, we need to decrease its opacity. So in order to decrease the opacity, simply come right over here, and here you can see we have this option opacity, and now from here you can actually decrease its opacity like this. Now you can see we can see through this solid orange layer and read the text pretty easily. Click OK. Next, we are going to apply keyframing. First, we need to scale it down like this and bring it to the start of the text. Now, simply come right over here onto the timeline and click on this option keyframing. Click over here, and right over here you can see we have applied a keyframe onto this solid orange layer. Next, grab the cursor and bring it to the point where you want the text to be highlighted completely. For example, I want my text to be highlighted when I reach this particular point right over here. Now simply click on this layer and drag it right up to the point where you want your highlight effects to stretch. I would keep it right over here. Now let me show you how it looks. Simply hold the cursor and bring it back, play it, and there you can see it looks like this. Again, just look at it, how beautifully it highlights the text. I hope you have found this short tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.